Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic, which is a 4.4 V8 in Eiger Grey. This car has previously had one owner. As you can see, you've got 22-inch alloys along with red brake calipers, giving the car a sporty appearance. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. And as you can see, you've got plenty of space in the boot, and you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. And going into the front of the vehicle, you also have keyless entry, illuminated Range Rover script tread plates, and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, really nice on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. A cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really makes parking and reversing so much easier. You have heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer, along with heated rear seats. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with valet mode enabling you to lock the screens where valet can only access your climate control. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark. You can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, which is really helpful for driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the car. And a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 8,166 miles. And stepping back outside the car, that was a lovely Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.